He tried to make it sound like they really had no control, but I didn't believe him. The day Jason told me the truth, that he had been having an affair with Lily for the past year, I returned the engagement ring to him that same day and told him to move out of the house. I guess he had prepared for that since he already had his bags packed and left without saying a word. After that, I didn't talk to my sister either because I really had nothing to say to her. With just a week left before the wedding, I knew there were going to be a lot of expenses wasted, so I told Jason to take care of it because I wasn't going to spend a dime. Obviously, I was devastated, so I didn't even leave my house for the next few days. Lily came to visit me a couple of days after I found out, but she had to leave without seeing me because I didn't want anything to do with her. She left a note on my door saying she was really sorry before she left, but it didn't mean anything to me. Neither of them could undo what they had done, and the truth was that she was going to have a baby with the man I loved. In situations like this,